back to my channel. In today's video is going to be a review on the Kryolan cake eyeliner. But before we get started, guys, if you want to know how I created this makeup look, definitely head on to my Instagram. I will leave my Instagram handle down below, and yeah, do follow me there. Check out my page. Hopefully you like it. And so yeah, now we're gonna get started with the video. Okay, so first things first, the reason that I put the cake eyeliner in quotation marks is because this is not actually a cake eyeliner. So if you guys can see, this is the Kryolan Aquacolor. Now this is a water activated body paint. It's safe to use, so you can use it as an eyeliner. So this is basically meant for your face and your body, but this is not actually a cake eyeliner, and this is not marketed as a cake eyeliner, but unfortunately here in Pakistan this is sold as the cake eyeliner. And you know, it's really annoying because I'm like, why don't people actually like know stuff? Like you're selling something, you're supposed to know what it's for. It's just so annoying. But anyways, this is what I wanted to tell you guys, that this is not cake eyeliner. This is an aqua color, and it's a face and body paint. This is not only available in black color, you get multiple colors. You get orange, pink, red, blue. These are the colors that I've seen with my own eyes, which I'm not gonna lie was a selling point for me, because I was really impressed that Kryolan has all these cake eyeliners in these amazing colors. But alas, the sales girl was wrong, and this is not actually cake eyeliner. This is actually face and body paint. So I don't exactly remember how much I got this for. I want to say I got this for somewhere in between 1500 and 2000 rupees Pakistani. I'm not sure. I will search the price and I will link it or put it up on the screen somewhere. Kryolan does have cake eyeliner. They have it in black and brown, and the packaging is very different. I will actually put up the packaging on the screen somewhere so you guys can see that this is what the actual Kryolan cake eyeliner looks like, and this is the packaging for the Aquacolor. So now I'm going to quickly jump on to the website and see what it actually says about this product, this Aquacolor. So this is definitely for the face and body, and this comes in two sizes. It comes in 55 ml and it comes in 8 ml. I got the 8 ml one, and it says here that this is $8. This was between 1500 to 2000 Pakistani rupees. This is actually the shade deep black, and they actually have a lot of shades, like so many beautiful gorgeous shades. They have neutrals, they have pop of colors, beautiful yellows, pinks. Oh, so good. And so here it says that, okay, you know how I said that this was water based? This is not water based. It says here that Aquacolor is a glycerin based compact makeup, especially color intensive, ingredients of superior quality skin cream preparation, blah 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 blah. Okay, it says here that you can use it, you can use a setting spray with this to make it long lasting. Okay, and then in the pro tip section it says that apply in thin layers and then set with a loose powder such as the it says add cake eyeliner sealer to Aquacolor for longer lasting results in face and body painting. So this is what it was talking about, and I have used this. Now I can tell you this with guarantee that this does absolutely nothing. It's called a cake eyeliner sealer, but obviously because this is not cake eyeliner, this is not going to work with it. But this is kind of like a solution that you use with the cake eyeliner, and this makes a cake eyeliner smudge proof and waterproof. So this is obviously black, as you can see, and it's a really beautiful jet black. Like it's an actual black, and I really love that. And this is water activated, so you can take this, or you can take water, whatever you have. You put water directly on here, and then you mix it, and then it forms like a paste, and then you use it on your eyes or wherever you want. So the more water you use, obviously the thinner the paste is going to be and less pigmented it's going to be. But the less water you use, the more thicker the paste is going to be, and the more like intense the black color is going to show. So this is smudge proof. Once this dries, you can try smudging it. This will not move, but because this is activated with water, unfortunately this can also dissolve really incredibly easily with water. So, you know, it's not waterproof at all. A drop of water and everything is going to start sliding and it's going to be messy. Okay, so moving on to how I actually apply this eyeliner, or Aquacolor, whatever. So this is the Aquacolor and this is the Cake Eyeliner Sealer. You can do this with water. It literally gives the same exact result with water, but I like have this near me, so I'm gonna use this. Okay, so we take the cap off and I'm just gonna put like a drop, and then I'm just gonna start like making a paste. Hopefully you can see. Yeah, like that's better. Okay, so I'm just making a paste. You apply like this and you can see it is so incredibly pigmented and beautiful. You can layer it on to get even more. You can see how beautiful and matte and intense it is. It's really super beautiful, and I can't wait to try the actual cake eyeliner by Kryolan because I know it's going to be so much better than this. Also, I'm going to draw another line next to this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a setting spray on top of that, just so you guys can see whether or not a setting spray helps make it waterproof. Because, you know, if like me, you've already bought it, you're probably like looking for ways to actually make this waterproof. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try doing it here because I don't want to do it too close. Also, I wanted to show you guys that make sure whatever brush you're using after this, you wash it properly with water, because once the brush dries, it goes really stiff and crunchy and weird, but it washes off really easily with water, so I just wanted to let you guys know that. Okay, so the smudge test, this is completely dry. Now I'm gonna smudge it, and you can see very extremely little smudging. So this is what happened with the smudging. Very little smudging, and then I don't know what happened. I think my hands are sweating or something, but it's starting to come off. Yeah, but you know, yeah, so I don't really know what to think of this, but if you want to use this as eyeliner, then chances are you're not going to smudge your eyes like this, so that's not really a plus, that's not really a minus. I don't know, that's for you to decide. So now for someone like me who has already bought this product and wants to make it waterproof, I'm gonna do a little test. So like I showed you guys, I made 2 swatches, and now I'm gonna use my NYX setting spray here, and I'm gonna spray the NYX one on this, and then I'm gonna add little droplets of water, and then we're gonna see whether it comes off or not. I'm just gonna spray this. Wait for it to dry. But the setting spray, because I guess it has water in it, it's melting a little bit of it off. Not sure if you guys, hopefully you guys can see. So I think I sprayed it a little too close to my hand, definitely. But you probably would not do that if you're using this as eyeliner. Alright guys, so this has dried. This took a really long time to dry, like abnormally long, like 2 minutes to dry. That is not normal. I know it's not the setting spray because this setting spray dries within 30 to 45 seconds. So there was definitely something really weird where it first started sliding off and then it took a really long time to dry. Yeah, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray this water on both of them. And initially when you spray water on this one, which has no setting spray on it, what happens is that it starts bunching up and it starts like coming off from the skin in layers, and like not exactly like it starts dripping, but you could just tell that it's very shiny and it's not absorbed into the skin. Like you guys are gonna see. Ugh, I should stop talking. Okay, so this mist is useless. It's not doing anything. So anyways, I'm just gonna take little droplets of water on my hand, and we're gonna do this. And then we're gonna do this. is there a difference? Let's see. Let's put some more here. You see how it's like melting off? Alright, so as you can see, some of this is coming off. This is pretty much the same. And I did not rub whatsoever. This is just water. I literally patted water on top of it. And as you can see, let me just zoom you guys in further. You can see that this one, it's bunching up. And it's a little bit shiny and coming off the skin, and it's bunching up in certain places, and then in other places it's like coming off, right? And this one looks pretty much the same. You know, it's still even and nothing's really weird about it. It wasn't bunching up in certain places, it was even. And yeah, so I guess the setting spray does help a little bit, definitely, because you know, setting sprays, they do have water, but at the same time they have emollients, which kind of like make a seal from the environment. So they kind of like probably protect against water in the air, or you know, just I don't know. So in that sense, you know, the setting spray will help, definitely. Alright guys, so final thoughts. I think because this is not cake eyeliner, it's not going to be as good of an eyeliner, but it definitely does work. It's really intense, it's really beautiful, it's smudge proof, and I think if you don't live somewhere where it's humid, or if you don't have oily skin, or if you don't sweat a lot, then this can definitely work as a great eyeliner. Then it can definitely work as a great eyeliner for you. However, if you do live in a humid climate where there is a lot of air in the water, however, if you live in a humid climate where there is a lot of water in the air, or if you sweat a lot, or if you really have oily skin, then this will slide off, it will come off. And you know, I think honestly, if you have already bought this, then definitely do buy a setting spray that will help make it more long lasting. Don't buy this because honestly this doesn't really do that good of a job. I think the setting spray definitely helps a lot more in terms of longevity. So instead of buying this, definitely do buy a setting spray. You can buy a cheap one like NYX. This is the one that I use. But if you are looking for a cake eyeliner, then don't buy this. Kryolan, the same brand, has a cake eyeliner. Buy that. And I think it would only be a little bit more expensive than this, but it's going to be waterproof, it's going to be smudge proof, it's going to last all day. So if you're looking for a cake eyeliner, definitely do buy the cake eyeliner from the same brand, Kryolan. But this is overall a good product. I use this to create kind of like a leopard sort of pattern on my face, and I really enjoyed working with this. Alright guys, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video, definitely do give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments below what you think and what you want to watch next, and I will film that for you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
This is actually meant to be used in special effects makeup, or in creative makeup, artistic makeup, or you know, some other form, movies, TV shows where you want to really kind of like, you know, like add some sort of special effects to the character or whatever. I don't know. Oh my god.